my chat partners, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. So guys, today is Sunday, Halloween, October 31st. And guys, I'm just chilling today, relaxing. I just washed my hair. I put a hair mask in my hair, so that's sitting in there with this shower cap on. So what I'm getting ready to do now is I'm getting ready to eat, and I am getting ready to plan out the month of November as far as my workout schedule, and then I'm going to write down the information that I am going to do as far as I'm doing the November challenge. And it's just a challenge I came up on my own for myself, and I'm going to write everything so far that I have in mind that I want to do for the month of November. And one of the things I want to do for the month of November is I don't want to eat any meat. Guys, I know that's a little rough to not eat any meat for the month of November, because you know month of November is when we have Thanksgiving. And what comes along with Thanksgiving, a lot of eating and a lot of meat. So yeah, I was like, you know what, Dionne, get yourself together and just do a challenge. And I know if I can get through this challenge, I know I can get through just about anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm getting ready to eat my dinner. And let me show you guys what I'm going to do. My chat partner, so this is what I have for dinner, which is some boiled potatoes, and I cut up some turkey links because I was like, you know what, I have this turkey in the refrigerator and I have to eat it, because starting tomorrow, November 1st, I will not be eating any meat. And then I also have the California medley, which is cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots. And I also have my garlic water that I'm going to drink. Yeah, guys, so I was like, let me come on and just say hey to my chat partners. And basically this video is just going to be maybe the first couple of days of my November challenge. The day before, which is today, and then tomorrow. Put it this way, I'll pick up the camera whenever I think about it and just record like maybe me cooking some meals and just getting myself situated with this challenge that I got going on. But yeah, guys, and one of the things too that I'm doing with the November challenge is starting, well, not just with the November challenge, just in general, getting up at 4:30 every morning. And to be honest, guys, this week here, I've been getting up at 4:30 every morning, except for Saturday. I did get up at like 5:20. But yeah, my plan is to get up at 4:30 every morning and just start my day, just get the ball rolling, just doing things. And actually, I actually did good, because I got up at 4:30, listened to my meditation music and everything, got my mind clear, exercised for about an hour. And the exercise I did was I just went over my Zumba routines. And guys, I am a licensed Zumba instructor. So if any one of you would like to join me on a Zumba virtual session, send me an email and I have my information linked in the description box. Just wanted to come on and tell you guys, hey, just see how you all are doing. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm trying to get back on track, guys, with just uploading more consistently. I know I haven't been uploading as I should. I actually got 2 videos that I really need to finish editing. It's just been a lot going on. I just haven't had the time, but I know I need to make time for my chat partners. And then too, I've been at like a little funk, a little standstill, because I'm like, why my subscriber count isn't growing? My subscriber count is not growing. Like, I've been at a standstill for like the last 10 months. In January of 2022 will actually be 2 years that I've been on YouTube. But you know what? It's okay. All is going to work itself out the way it should. So yeah, guys, like I said, I have 2 videos that I have to edit, and those 2 videos will be up before this video. And the videos are, I went to the state fair, and then it's part of my birthday. I just turned 44. So Scorpio season, yes, yes, yes. So yeah, I'm excited about that. And then too, by me turning 44, I just want to make some changes in my life, start this new chapter in my life on a positive note. It's gonna be cute for later.
Okay.
How much of it do you want?
Whatever, doesn't matter. You what?
Yeah. Is it good? It's kind of burnt a little bit though, ain't it?